Uh, Hello. This is my first video, so yeah. Alright, so this is a budget PC build. It's around $500. If you guys don't know, that's pretty cheap for a gaming PC. It's still super expensive, but it's a gaming PC, so yeah. Um, so this is it's just getting to. So we're gonna go to the case first. And this is the Cooler Master box. It's around $45. It's one of the best budget PC cases because of the airflow mainly. I actually kind of like the design too, so you can install your own RGBs in there, but yeah, for $5 case, pretty cool. And yes, I will be putting the link into the description. Alright, so this is the CPU. Got the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. This is around 160. Uh, so yeah, pretty good CPU in my opinion. So the GPU is a 1650 Super. It's around $169. And this thing, okay, so you're playing Fortnite, you can go up to 120 FPS high settings, well, epic settings, whatever they're called. And yeah, you can also go for the Ryzen 3 2600 and the 1660, but I'd rather do this. Alright, here we go. This is the motherboard. You guys probably have seen this because this is just the motherboard that holds all the pieces of it. So pretty good in my opinion. So yeah, you could buy it whatever it's called. Different. The RAM, you got 2 sticks of RAM or 16 gigs. $50, so good price. Yeah. The power supply, but you need a 500 watt or higher power supply, and make sure you guys are looking for an 80 plus bronze or whatever it's called. And this is the optional, whatever. If you don't have it, it's gonna add you kind of need it. So I found the best, cheapest supplies, whatever. Right. This is a Red Dragon keyboard. If you click on this, it brings you to the Amazon area. This is a 60% mechanical keyboard for $34. And you guys, you've seen like the 60% keyboards that cost like $500. This is $34 and it works exactly the same how the other ones do. And then I found a wire and mouse and keyboard here for $20. It's like 30 and the speakers are like 20. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. But just please subscribe and like and peace out.